Currently in Chokra. This is my grandpa's house, this brown building. And we walk this way. We park our car in here. Keep on walking. This is the front gate. And you walk inside. This is my mom. This guy's here to show us some clothes. This is our door. Najma's in there. She's afraid of the camera. Oh, and there's a sink. A random sink. This is my grandpa's bedroom. This is his bed. That's his closet, and I think it's locked. Let me try opening it. Probably shouldn't, but oh yeah, I think it has keys right there. And then right here, pictures. That's my grandpa. I think that's his mom or grandma, I'm not sure. My mama, my uncle. Oh wait, is that my mama? No, that's your grandma. That's my grandma. My grandma, she passed away in 2010. And we have our family pictures. And then my grandpa is so fancy, he has his own bathroom. Oh, hi. Sorry, my cousin came, and anyways, this is his bathroom. This is the shower. They barely use the shower up here. We fill this up with hot and cold water, and they wash themselves. And then here's the toilet. Yep, that's a bathroom. All right, back outside. This is the main bathroom. This is my uncle's room. They have their computer here, their bed, and their closet. That's obviously, of course, locked, even though it has a key in there. This is the kitchen. And then this is kind of like a storage room, and they keep like their groceries in here. It's really messy and really old. Let me see if I can zoom out. Can't actually. Yeah, this room is kind of messy, and then there's a lot of luggage in here because a lot of people came from Oregon. And then I'm gonna take you upstairs. This is the second floor. We have someone ironing our clothes. This is our bedroom, and yeah, it's a disaster right now because there's like 4 people staying in here. That's mine, my cousin's, and then my sister's and my other cousin's luggage. This bed is pretty huge. We all fit on this bed. And it's like wood, and it has a little mattress right here. It's not bouncy at all. There's a bed up here. And then there's another kitchen upstairs, but it's really full right now. And of course, more luggage in the house because there's a lot of people that came. This is another storage room, and it has a lot of blankets, pillows, all you need to sleep. And you walk this way, and this is my uncle's bedroom. More like a guest bedroom, but yeah, he uses this. And then there is a picture of my mom, my cousin who lives in Germany. He's a lot older now. So that picture is super old. Upstairs bathroom. Walk out and there's one more bedroom right here. There's no bed, there's just mattresses on the floor. There's a balcony out here. Go upstairs again to the 3rd floor. And then you open this door. And now I'm gonna show you the village from upstairs. This is Shokra. Creeping on people, no big deal. And I spy a rooster. He's hiding. Anyways, this is the 3rd floor, and then there's another floor up here, which is more like a balcony. Anyways, that's all for the house tour. I hope you enjoyed it.